Everyone, this is Simion, Coldwell Banker. Today I'm in Old Town Pasadena. They are celebrating Día de Los Muertos, Day of the Dead. Central America and South America, really, they all start celebrating today people who died in their life. And South Pasadena has an event here. They created altars. It's little memorials for their loved ones that passed, doing Salsa night. Good times. Today we're just kind of hanging out and celebrating with them. My wife is Mexican, so we're doing all this. She's getting face painted. Talk to you all soon. This is Simion, Coldwell Banker.
Deja que Roberto te pase la mano.